Welcome back. Happy Wednesday. It's the middle of the week. Let's start the weather forecast with the daily almanac. So the wind today travels south at 4 kilometers per hour. We saw the sun rise at 8:44 a.m. and the sunset tonight was at 4:48 p.m. And for the barometer today, 101.4. That means a little more stability coming tomorrow as well. Now for the temperatures in Dawson Creek today, the high was 3 degrees in the middle from the record high and the record low. Chetwynd, similar temperatures there. The high was 3 degrees as well. Fort St. John, a high 2 degrees lower at 1 degree. And Fort Nelson, temperatures were colder there, a high of -7. Now let's take a look at the regional forecast. We'll start in Grand Prairie, a high of -3 tomorrow. Some high clouds, Spirit River, similar high at -3. A little bit more sun than in Grand Prairie there, peeking through some clouds. Now in Chetwynd, the high is 0 degrees with, again, some high clouds there. In Tumbler Ridge, there is a chance of flurries with a high of 0 degrees. Fort Nelson, same thing there, a high of flurries, 30% chance there, and the high is -9. Hudson's Hope, the high is 1 degree, and there is a mix of sun and cloud there. Now let's take a look at the 5-day forecast for Fort St. John tonight, a low of -9 with some clouds. And then on Thursday, there is again a chance of flurries at about 40%, a high of -2. On Friday, there is a mix of sun and cloud there with a high of 4 degrees, so pretty high temperatures compared to tonight on Friday. And then these temperatures are going to continue over the weekend on Saturday with a high of 3 degrees in sunny conditions. And then on Sunday, maybe a little cooler there. Temperatures will range in between 0 degree and -12. It is going to be sunny once again, though. Now for the 5-day forecast in Dawson Creek, a cold -11 tonight in Dawson Creek with some clouds. Tomorrow, high clouds, a high of 0 degrees. There is going to be maybe some sun peeking through, but then on Friday, the clouds are going to leave a little bit, a high of 4 degrees, and then it's going to be sunny on both Saturday and Sunday. The high is 3 degrees, and again, cooler temperatures similar to Fort St. John on Sunday with a low of -12s. Now let's take a look at the province of BC and Alberta. Calgary, warmer than Edmonton there, a high of 5 in Calgary, -1 in Edmonton. And the conditions are a little better in Calgary with a mix of sun and cloud, more clouds in Edmonton there. Prince George, a high of 4 and some high clouds. It's pretty warm in Prince Rupert, but there is going to be some rain tomorrow on the forecast. And Vancouver, a high of 11, again with a chance of precipitation. Now let's take a look at the national forecast, and I'll be right back with sports after the break.